guys. It's here. It's here, guys. So here you guys have it. It's the AKK KC04 FPV camera kit. This camera kit comes with the mount. The FPV transmitter is 5.8 gigahertz. This is a 2.8 millimeter lens, 700 TVL camera. It's pretty it's decent. It's decent. You have your RP SMA 5.8 gigahertz antenna. You have the connectors. I like how they have the connectors wired up. It's not gonna get tangled after a while. You can just keep reusing them and reusing them. And then lastly, you have your manuals. First and foremost, if you don't know what RP SMA stands for, is reverse polarity. All that means is that the centerpiece of this little pin is in the center of a female side and not on the male side. Alright guys, so this side goes on the female side, not the male side, guys. That's all that matters, guys. Now to power this up, both of these little connectors, one, the smaller connector goes into your camera. This will go here into your camera, just like so. And this end right here will go into here. If you don't know the direction of this, just try to match up the colors. Sometimes one wire might be off, but yellow on the top, red in the middle, blue and black. Those are the only two mismatched colors, guys. Other than that, this will only go in one way as well. So put that in just like so. This end right here goes into your transmitter, guys. Right here, see these two holes. This one's the larger one, so it'll go on the top first one right here. Just like so, guys. Now before you power this up, you need to make sure you always have your antenna on, guys. Always need to make sure this antenna is always on before you power it on. It's a must. If not, you're gonna have to consistently buy these every single time you do so. Just like so, guys. Now this does have two little buttons right here on the screen. The two buttons are for a channel, one for channel and one for frequency. And you can see that change right here when you press the buttons when you have your power. You can use anything between a 7 and a 12-volt battery to power the transmitter and the camera as well. And remember, you have to use an RP-SMA antenna. Now this transmitter comes with 40 channels, which covers A, B, E, F, and R bands. This camera weighs about 9.5 grams. I have a scale. I'm gonna have to weigh it. I want to see, because I'm going to make a mount that moves around on the servo, so I can actually move the camera around wherever I want to fly and actually look in the sky. The camera resolution, like I said before, is 700 TVL. And then your mounts, guys. This is a pretty simple mount, guys, but you can definitely rig something up with this and it will do the job just fine. Another cool thing about this little camera that I like is that it has auto gain and auto white balance. It's amazing how they could stuff all this technology in these little motherboards and stuff in such a little small form, guys. It's just amazing. And one of my favorite things about this whole setup is that it's all plug and play, guys. It's literally ready. All you need is some goggles, go to the right channel, plug in your battery, set it up on your aircraft, your drone, whatever you want, and you are good to go. Alright, guys, so here are the goggles and here is your camera. And we're gonna set this up right now and basically show you guys how to properly connect this. Alright, guys, these are the little protectors for your antennas. I like how it's simple. You got your search here, got your band, you got your channel change right here, you got your on and off button, headphone jack right here, then you have your charger right here, and you have an SD slot right there, and your record a little reset button. That's it, guys. Nice and simple. So before anything, the first thing you guys have to do is carefully install your antennas on. You put your antenna here, as well on your transmitter. Guys, I really don't want to show you what happens if you don't put your antenna, but it's literally, you're just gonna mess everything up, guys. It's not gonna work at all, guys. So once you do that, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna turn on our goggles. Alright, guys. It's already looking good. So now we're gonna leave this. Setting up, guys. We're gonna get our battery. I got a 1 cell right here. Alright, see, I already like it. Have your little LED screen right here, indicates your channel and your band. Let's see if we're getting any signal there. Getting a little. Let's hit this little button up here and see if we can get something better. And that's all you have to do, guys. Just literally plug and play. So now we're on E8, F, R. I feel like the first one was better. A. Is it there? Let me see. Take the camera lens off. Alright, guys. As you can see, for you guys that are beginners, the antenna direction is very important. So you always want to make sure you keep it straight, but for the video sakes, I'm doing it like this for right now so you guys can see. But there you go, that's the image from the camera. It's pretty darn clear, guys. I really like this. For the price, you really can't beat it, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description exactly where I got everything. Everything was from Amazon. Very cheap, guys. Very affordable. Under $160. Everything. It doesn't come together, unfortunately. It's a great package. But I am going to link you guys into the right direction to get this. And that's it, guys. Alright, guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you guys go, please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe. Turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And as always, guys, see you in the next one.